Shout out to everybody. Thank you guys so much. We are at 500 subscribers. 500, my people. Thank you guys so much for the support. Letting us reach 500. As you guys saw the intro earlier, we are celebrating. And this is my celebration look. Alright. So before we get all into it, the video today, guys, is basically called thirst trap. And you guys want to know what is a thirst trap. So a thirst trap, I'm gonna give you a bit of info on it. A thirst trap is where you DM or send messages to somebody you have a crush on, tell them that you want them body, you need up them body, and all these things. So it's basically you being thirsty is where you are acting like you're desperate for somebody, right? So that's what this video is about today. And you're going, okay, so me saying okay is that what exactly the video is about to you guys, and you're like, what does that have to do with anything? Am I going to explain a thirst trap? No, because this video is going to be somewhat like a joke or a prank. And yes, so I'm going to basically thirst trap my fellow male YouTubers, some of my favorite YouTubers, and some of them that I already know, who I consider my friends and stuff like that. So I'm gonna basically thirst trap them. I'm gonna send them some nice, sexy messages, so they can basically think I am thirsty for their body. Yes. So that's what we're gonna get into right now. I'm gonna start with all of that, but I still want to say big up. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers, and I appreciate it so much. So before we get into the video, do you guys like my outfit? And I'm going to show you guys my complete outfit right now. So let's jump on into that. So see my outfit now. I'm going to walk myself out. My outfit. People, I have to change location. Made a bone up. Place up the heart. Alright. So I'm gonna show you guys my first thirst trap. Let's start. The first thirst trap I have to get to my Instagram. Oh. Yeah, that's how I find everybody on Insta. Alright, so my first thirst trap was my first. And okay, and I'm basically doing 6 or 7 thirst trap persons. And I don't know if they're gonna answer it this day. Because I need to show you guys reply of what they said, if they got trapped or not. Yeah. So it might be, the video might be follow on to another day or something like that, just to show you guys the results. Alright, you guys will see the Instagram feed here or there, whatever, of their reply. Okay, what I wrote will be on the screen somewhere. Alright, so first thirst trap. Let's do some disclaimers first as well. Disclaimer 1, I won't be thirst trapping anyone that has a girlfriend or anything like that. Anyone that is married, because I don't believe in overwrecking anybody. I won't do any YouTubers that basically are on the borderline or on the fence. What does that mean? That means YouTubers who are confused if they like male or female or they like both. So I won't do anyone that are basically confused about their sexuality, stuff like that. But I basically do YouTubers that are single, stuff like that. That I think is single. So if you're not single, you can put down the DM or do the video. So yeah. Alright? So let's get to it. So my first thirst trap is one of my friends, and this person, his name is Claude Watkins. He's a photographer. You see his stuff there. And why I'm thirst trapping him, because he's slightly scared of females. Well, to me, because he acts very shy around girls or around me. So when I used to chill with them, so I'm gonna thirst trap him because I think he has great fashion style. He's very cute. So let's thirst trap Claude first. I think I should leave a voice message. Should I leave voice messages or just no voice message? I'm gonna write. What to write? You know, I'm gonna leave voice messages. I don't know what to write. Okay. I'm nervous doing this. No voice message. You know, I'm gonna voice message this one. You guys can hear it. Hey Claude, it is Roseanne. I totally love your page. I was wondering if you would like to kick it with me or chill with me or something like that. I think you're totally hot. You're very good looking and I have like a major crush on you. So I was like, it's cool that we chill and get to know each other if you're down for that. You know, I'm trying to be serious, trying to go after a person that I'm totally interested in. Yeah. So if it's cool, you want to chill with me or anything, let me know. I think your page is superb and you're very cute. Okay? I didn't know what to say. It's my first one. It's my first one. So this is my first one. Message sent. I hope I get more braver doing this. I don't know how male always DM and females. I don't know how they do it. So like I get weird males and stuff like that in my DMs. You guys are so brave. Alright, so my next thirst trap, and you'll see is info somewhere there as well. It's quality with 2 I. You'll see his Instagram page. I'm gonna write because me talking is awkward. Oh, I should tell you what I'm writing. So I'm writing A and some. I saw your YouTube channel and decided to check. Okay, so I wrote, hey Ansem, I saw your YouTube channel and decided to check you on Instagram. I think you are hot and I would like to get to know you. I am having a major crush on you. So I'm gonna send some love things. You know, people always saying love eyes. People, I'm having such difficult time doing this video with my family home. So I sent some love eyes in his DM. Yeah, we DMing people. Alright, so my next person is one of my favorite YouTubers, is Yadman. And I absolutely don't know what to write on any of them. But we're gonna try to thirst trap somebody today. Alright, so let's start. So yeah, so I'm gonna read what I wrote to Yadman. I don't think he's gonna read it. I don't any of these persons gonna read it, but we still have to try to thirst trap them. Alright, so around so I wrote, so I wrote, hey sexy, I'm taking my shot. I think you are so sexy and I would love to get to know you better. I have a major crush on you. I would love to pull your locks. But I want to that's a part of my dream. I would love to pull Yadman locks. He has nice hair. Love. I will send some kissy face. Art. Yeah. This is awkward. Big up to the gentlemen that come into your DMs and write sexy stuff to you. Because damn, this is so hard. Alright. So my next thirst, didn't I have a cute sexy guy that I want to thirst trap? Look at this other sexy one that I like. But anyway, so my next thirst trap is Dirty Berry. No, I didn't plan on thirst trapping Dirty Berry because I thought he was on the borderline. Watching several videos, and some other people told me that he's not on the borderline. So I decided to thirst trap him because he's one of my favorite YouTubers too as well, and he makes me laugh. So let's thirst trap Dirty Berry. None of these people are gonna read any of this thing. They're gonna just see it because they probably get us a DM and skip across it. Alright, so let's try again. So once again, you're gonna see their tag somewhere there in this video, and you'll see what I wrote to them in the video too as well. Alright, so what I'm gonna write to Dirty Berry now. Alright, so I wrote to Dirty Berry and I wrote, "Hey handsome, I love your videos, would love to be your side chick. I'm down to play. I like you a lot. DMs back, sexy." And once again, we're gonna send a lovely art thingy, because you know you have to send those things. This thirst trapping business make me nervous. Can't get body safety, none of that, kissy thing, and love. So you got some DMs. And another YouTuber that I like, and I think it's Chocolate. I swear it's six persons on Instagram that I looked up. So my Chocolate one though, we're gonna do Dre. Because Dre's one of the YouTubers that I like. But I can't seem to find. You think people are your friends, they'll be in it. Why can't I find Dre? Is Dre not on Instagram anymore? Dre is one of my friends, so why is he not coming up? Oh, this is weird. Alright, I DM Dre a lot, so yeah. He's one of the YouTubers that I rock with very well. He's my friend. Let's check back my DMs. Hope nobody wrote back to me. Because I've been having an heart attack. I can't find Dre. So I'm looking for Dre, but I can't seem to find him on Instagram. And I went to him on YouTube to see if I can find him on YouTube so that I can go to his Instagram page. And I got this. You'll see it there. So I clicked on YouTube and I go to this section and Instagram personal. And it's got, sorry, this page isn't available. That's strange. I don't know why his page isn't available. I can't find him on Instagram either. I guess he's suspended his Instagram or something. It's weird, because I don't know why we do that. But I also can't find DMs either, because there's one of my friends that I talk to a lot, so it's weird. So I'll be going into my DMs to see if I see Dre. And there's no Dre in my DMs. Alright, so I decided to do another YouTuber. His name is Flo Lyrical. Flo. And so let's DM Flo. Flo is one of the YouTubers that are my friends as well. He's my friend. And let's go. No. So you see his stuff there. Alright, so this is what I wrote to Flo. So I wrote, "Hey Flo, I have a crush on you and would like to chill with you if you down. Love how you sound," because Flo does music. And I wrote, "Starboy. Love, art, eyes." Alright, yeah. So all this that I wrote to everybody will be in the video, so you guys will see it in the video. I was going to basically do 6 YouTubers, but as I said, Dre is not, I can't find Dre's page. Alright, so basically, so those are my 5 YouTubers that I end up doing. So let's see if they reply back and what their response is. If they fall for the thirst trap or if they didn't fall for it. Alright, so I'll see you guys on another video or another day. I'm going to keep checking the replies to see if they reply to the video. Alright?